Math Shorts.
Applying the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem states that the measure of two legs of a right triangle squared and added together equals the square of the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean Theorem helps people solve real-world problems. Lucy usually bikes to the park along Maple Avenue, then up Silver Street. Is Canyon Trail shorter? She knows the two legs, Maple Avenue and Silver Street, are 3 and 4 miles long. Applying the Pythagorean Theorem, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. She knows that 5 squared is 25, so the hypotenuse, the length of Canyon Trail, is 5 miles. 2 miles less of biking for Lucy. What if Lucy doesn't know the lengths of Maple Avenue and Silver Street? A coordinate plane can help. Lucy's house and the park can be points on the plane. One at 5,1 and the other at 2,5. To find the distance between A and B using the Pythagorean Theorem, she needs a right triangle. One way to make one is to go 3 spaces left and 4 spaces up. For the horizontal leg, take the x distance of A and subtract the x distance of B. This is equivalent to subtracting the x coordinates of A and B. For the vertical leg, take the y distance of A and subtract the y distance of B. This is equivalent to subtracting the y coordinates of A and B. Now apply the Pythagorean Theorem. 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to 16 plus 9, which when added together equals 25. That's the same as 5 squared. Again, the length of Canyon Trail is 5 miles. If you can represent a problem using a right triangle, the Pythagorean Theorem can help you find distances.
Now let's do an example where we have to calculate the leg of a right triangle. So let's say A is 8 inches and C is 17 inches. So using the Pythagorean Theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We are going to substitute in the values. A squared plus B squared equals 17 squared. 8 squared is 64 plus B squared, and 17 squared is 289. Solving the equation to both sides, we subtract 64, and we will get B squared is equal to 225. To get rid of B squared, we have to square root each side, and B is equal to 15. So 15 inches is our answer.